Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Index Insider. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video to analyze for you as every day the SP 500, the Nasdaq 100, and the DXY. So, if you are a swing trader, stick with us only here in the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style. On the timeline, it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that you report in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Discord, where we give a long-term investment plan in the SP 500. The link of our Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the SP 500 today, it doesn't move. It's staying here all the whole day over here. So now what should you do? Me, I'm thinking from that level, maybe you're going to see a correction, because majority of people now they waiting in Wednesday when the interest rate decision is going to come. Then maybe we're going to see another jump up or something. But at this time we don't got nothing here, as you see it. That the supply and demand zone me I'm talking about over here where we are. But we need here a price action. The market here, he tried to give you here like a double bottom, but is it very small here? It's not that clear. So us we still waiting for us to enter long or to enter short. And I tell you that yesterday I told you if we break in here, that level here, we need to enter short. If we breaking down here, we need to enter short. If the market move upward, that's another story. But it's look like how we are going to see another day sideways here till Wednesday. Then we're going to make a decision, because when interest rate decision is coming, no one of the investors want to invest at that time. Everyone stay away from the market. They waiting what the Fed is going to tell us. So till now we don't got nothing here. Even if you try to come here at those ones like that and down here like that, you got here a distribution level, as you see it very clear. You touch low here, it go up, it fall down here. Maybe from here we're going to see it go back up. But at this time, also we are in a sideways market. You need to put that one in a side and to wait till the right time. At this time we don't got nothing. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see, it's coming from overbought area, very close to touch oversold area. So us we still waiting till down here. Then we try to buy again. At this time there is nothing here, so you need to wait in more. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today, for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. That before we go into see the coming news, we need to see the news we came today, where we see the market staying flat there. As you see here, the first thing is Apple here about the new iPhone 15 and demand that the first leading the big take higher as Wall Street debating on iPhone 15. That's why we see today a little bit move up, but not that huge. Second thing we got here is it that one here, energy stocks for today. They continue March higher as oil price hit November high. So that one the second thing. The third thing is that one here. Army holdings slip following stronger debit last week. Micro get Wall Street backing. That about that stock of Army. The fourth thing we got is it that one here. PayPal and Tesla, they receive thumb down on Wall Street. That bad news for PayPal and Tesla. And another thing we got here, that one here, Colorex warrants cyber hack to material dent growth. Even that one here you need to focus about. Another one we got, and that one is the most important one, is it here, treasury yield after the testing recent high as countdown to Fed meeting began. It started falling down a little bit. That's why you see US stocks and those things, they going up because of treasury yield. So you need to be focused about those things, guys. That's what we got for US market. Now let's see the news which is coming today. So let's go there. The news which is coming today is it that one here. The CPI data or inflation data of the Eurozone plus the building permit of USA. So even that one you need to focus about it. How it's going to come, if the building permit is going to do well or not. If it's not, we're going to see more falling down in the SP 500 and the Nasdaq. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day. As you see, all US stocks, the Dow Jones, the SP, the Nasdaq, all of them, they crossing Monday green. That bad news for US market, because historical, when we close in Monday candle green, we're going to see a major dump all the week, and that's what's happening here till now. So maybe we're going to see a red week in all US stocks. I'm not talking here about smaller time frames. So that's what the market telling us till now. Plus here we got our friend, is it down the VIX? Currency is getting more higher as we are today 14. Even that one is very bad news here. Plus here the DXY or US dollar today it's closing the daily candle red. That man is very bad news. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see what the SP 500 doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in the SP 500, people they been with us, they remember that had a shoulder here, as we enter short base on it when it's breaking down here. At that level where we are, it's very stronger supply and demand zone. I just show it to you in the 4 hours. Now here, did we got a price action here? Not the double bottom me I'm talking about in the 4 hours. As you see it here, very clear. But me, I'm going to treat it now as like that. And down here, I'm going to make it like that, like a megaphone here, as you see it. I'm going to wait, and if it's getting broke here, I'm going to enter long. If it's broken down here, that means I'm going to enter more short. Till now, that what we got here in 30 minutes, that here, that price action which is here. You need to focus about it, where it's going to get broke. Either here to enter long, or either down here to enter short. And me, I'm thinking maybe it's going to make a correction upward today. Then Wednesday, maybe we're going to fall down again. And let me tell you why me I thinking it's going to be going up today. Because of that one, guys, if you seeing with me here, you came to that dot here, to that dot here, and that one here, to that one here. You got a very clear divergence here, as you see it. And here, look at it. You got here a divergence. Should we enter long? If the market came and breaking the neckline here of that megaphone here at that level here, you can enter more long. So that the price action you got here in 30 minutes. Now it's going to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. The Nasdaq 100, guys, as you see it, same thing like the SP 500. There is nothing new here at that level here. Now, also we're still waiting what the market is going to do here. Level, also we are in a very stronger level. And look at it here, what the market give you here. You see that level me I'm talking about in 4 hours. You see it here. You are hitting on a distribution level here in the SP 500 and the Nasdaq. Now, what you need to do, you waiting if you got here a smaller price action in smaller time frames, you can enter long till the top here. That's what the market telling us till now. The market telling us the Nasdaq is going to stay sideways here. So I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to make the video too long. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is very close to oversold area. Market giving us here pin bars here at that level here. Should we enter long? Till you got a clear price action in smaller time frames, not here in the 4 hours, because here it need more sideways here to give you a clear price action. So for swing trading, there is nothing. You need to wait until the Fed came. But in smaller time frames, maybe. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here in 30 minutes, like the SP 500, guys, as you see that the level me I'm talking about here. And down here, you got that megaphone here. Megaphone, to know it, you just came here and you close it like that. And you do in here a handle here like that. You got here a megaphone. That way also we call it a megaphone. If it's getting broke here, you can enter long. If down, we'll enter more short. That's how is it the price action. Level, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, even in the 4 hours. So now, as I told you, the market is going to stay sideways between that 2 levels here. If it's breaking here, you can enter long till the top here. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Let's see our indicator was saying. As you see, same thing like this, P500. We got here a very clear divergence like that, as you see it. If you came to that one here, like that, and that one here, like that, you got a very clear divergence. But for us to enter long, it's need the price action to tell us that. Only price action we got here, the top of that megaphone, if it's getting broke here, we will enter long. At this time, you need to wait more till the right time. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar, guys. Here, DXY today it fell down a little bit and it closing the daily candle red. That meant DXY is going to go more higher than that. But very bad news. Now here I got a trend line as you see it from here and here. Let's see if it's going to touch it just here, then to go back up, or to break it and to go to that long term here, that white one. Then after that to go up. DXY is still very bullish, guys. There is no entry short in the DXY. Even if you see in those corrections like that, it just waited to come down to that trend line here. Then after that to enter more long. Here there is nothing here in the DXY telling you need to enter short. Only if you don't know what you're doing. Here there is nothing. That's the only thing I can tell you. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, it gave us here that divergence as you see it like that. But for you to enter short, it need to break down that long term trend here. If it doesn't, there is no entry. And as you see it, you are in the top of the long term trend. Plus here in that level here. That one here, as you see it here exactly. Let me tell you the level exactly for you to get the picture. Is it at 104? That level, it's very stronger level here, as you see it. That one here, it's coming from long term, and also last time we break it here. Market fall down, he tested. Now he break the last high, which is here. Now, even if you see a correction like that, it's need that one to come to break that long term trend here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. So you need to wait more till the right time. Now let's go in to see the DXY, what it's doing today, 30 minutes for smaller time frames. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, look at it. You've got a very clear flag like that, as you see it. Very clear flag, and the flag is a very bullish signal. Now, if that one came and breaking above here, that meant the DXY or US dollar is going to go more higher than that. If it's breaking down here, that means it's going to fall down, even if we got a flag, because if it's breaking down here, also we are not going to treat it as a flag. We're going to treat it as a channel. So till now, that what we got here in 30 minutes. We got that flag here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, used to have here that divergence that was pushing the price down, but there is no one is selling it DXY. Till now, we haven't touched in the oversold area, but there is more falling down, maybe to that level here, to that one here, that last level here. And after that, we're going to see what's going to happen. At this time, there is nothing, and the market is very flat, as you see it here. So there is nothing. We need to wait more till the right time. So everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.